Hey guys, Ravi here and welcome back in my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can stream on YouTube using your new MacBook M1 laptop. First thing is you have to enable your live streaming on your channel. So for that one you can directly go to the live stream from the create button, go live, or you can go to the content, then live, then get started. So for me it is enabled, and if you are doing the live stream for the first time you should have enabled this live stream, and it will take around 24 hours. After that you can do live streaming on YouTube. Okay, after the second step is you should have the encoder, okay, which maybe a software encoder, or you can use a hardware encoder or mobile encoder if you are streaming from your mobile phone. Okay, then the third step is you should have connected your hardware or the software. Okay, so this process I will explain in this video, so please watch this video till the end. Okay, so first you have to open your YouTube Studio and then click on the go live button, then it will open the stream. Okay, so currently I am on this page and I have this Wirecast software. You can use OBS software, open source software for the streaming also. I am using this Wirecast software. I have put the link of this software in the description. You can directly check out that software also. So after that we have to click on this get started, or you can directly click on the create and then go to the go live. Okay, so it will open the new page, live streaming page here, and this is my channel, and you can see this type of interface will open. So here we have to select the default stream key RTMP variable. You can select other one also, but we have selected this one, and now after that we have to click this stream key, copy, and we have to put it into the encoder. So I am using this software Wirecast. So in this case we have to put this stream key here. So once this Wirecast is open, you have to click on the output, then output settings. Now you have to select here RTMP server. You can select a different server for YouTube, any other option you can select, but I am selecting here RTMP. So once you click on OK, it will open a new window. Here you have to paste that stream key. Okay, then the second thing, you have to open again this window, and then you have to click stream URL, then go to the Wirecast, and here you have to paste that URL address. Okay, then you can set here also name, and then you can select an encoder. So a different format is available. You can select one. So I am selecting here 720p. After that we have to click on the OK button. You can see there's a different layer. Okay, so you have to click on this clear layer plus icon. Here you can see we have the different options. So for that one you can select a particular video capture, your media files, network, screen capture, whatever you want to it to be live on YouTube. So you can select screen capture first. So I am selecting this one, add. Okay, so this is my window. Okay, and now I will click on this second plus icon. Now this time I will select the audio. So I am using my external microphone. You can select other one also. Now add. In this case when I am speaking, it is showing that it is listening my voice. Now the third one is you can select your video capture also. So I am using this MacBook M1 webcam. Okay, so I will add this one also. So now you can see this is my face and it is appearing here also. Now you have to click on the stream, and then you can click on this icon. Now you have to again go to the live stream page, and now you are live. Now you can see this is streaming is live now, and you can make it as a private also. So here I can set this one as a private, okay, and also you can edit this whole thing, like thumbnail you can set, okay, and you can set the playlist here, whatever the playlist you have created, okay. This is the option you can select here. You can put the tags, you can set the recording date here, and the streaming location you can set here, okay. So after setting, then just click on the save button, and now this is changed, and now you can see this is live streaming, live 1 minute it's and you can see the stream health also here, analytics, if someone is viewing your streaming, so it will appear here how many viewers are currently on your channel, on your live streaming. So you can see the concurrent viewer is 1, it's showing here, and now we are ending this live stream. So I have created the video for the live streaming on YouTube from the new MacBook M1 laptop. So in this video I have explained step by step process how you can use Wirecast to stream on YouTube from your MacBook M1 laptop, and it's a really easy way. So you can directly live stream, you can teach, and you can stream your gaming, anything that you want, okay. So I am just closing this end stream. You can watch the full video at the end of this streaming. So as you can see, one playback, one peak concurrent, okay. So after that you can add it in the studio also, so other members can also see your live streaming, okay. Or you can just dismiss this one. So thank you for watching this video. Please comment if you need any help. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and please comment, and if you have any doubt, so please comment and ask. And for this software I have put the link in the description, you can directly check out that software also, you can download, and you can use, and you can install that one. So it's a really simple process, okay. So thank you.